Where, when, why are three words used at the beginning of questions. Today, we'll use them in other places and sentences that can at times answer questions. When we use the words in this way, they're called relative adverbs. They begin a clause, a part of a sentence, after the noun they modify. Use the word where to begin a clause that tells about a place. Use the word when to begin a clause that tells about time. Use the word why to begin a clause that tells about a reason. Let's talk about each relative adverb, beginning with the word where. We visit the zoo where the baboons live. The zoo is a place. The clause where the baboons live tells us more about the zoo. The word where comes right after the noun zoo. Let's use the word when as a relative adverb. She enjoyed the day when she played with dolphins. When tells about a time that the girl played with dolphins. Finally, we'll use the word why as a relative adverb. Joe told us why the roller coaster is fun. The word why tells us that Joe gave a reason for the roller coaster being fun. Let's play a little game. I'll read sentences missing the relative adverb. Guess the adverb before time runs out. That's the reason I love learning new things. The mountain we went hiking was beautiful. Can you explain? This book is so popular. Do you know the time? The movie starts. That's the park. We played soccer. My birthday is the day I feel extra special. Let's review what we learned today. Where tells about a place. When tells about a time. And why tells about a reason. Remember, these words connect ideas in a sentence and help us understand where, when, and why something happened. That's it for today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time for another fun grammar lesson. Bye for now.